Good morning. Here is the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened little changed at 792.46 as investors stay cautious ahead of the Federal Reserve's chair Kevin Warsh's Jackson Hole address. In Europe, the Euronext 100 opened firmer, up 0.1%, while Frankfurt's DAX gained 0.48%. as sentiment steadied after a volatile week. On Wall Street, the Nasdaq Composite closed up at 26,541.35, and the S&P 500 closed higher at 7730.99, setting a firmer tone into the European session. In company news, build-to-rent developer Watkin Jones says full-year profits will be broadly in line with the first half, though some transactions have slipped on geopolitical uncertainties. Engineering group Goodwin posted a sharp rise in trading profit and has begun a sale process for part of its mechanical engineering division. In currencies, sterling was broadly steady, edging higher against the dollar, euro and Swiss franc, and little changed against the yen, Australian dollar and Bitcoin. In commodities, copper and gold edged higher, Brent crude slipped further, and natural gas was flat. Back to market open. I'm Dave Pennell. Have a great Friday.